Welcome to Ferrea Racing Components manufacturing facilities in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, where for over 45 years, Ferrea has been manufacturing hardcore racing components.
The OEM performance racing engines, we've had a big change in the past, I want to say about 10 years.
OEM engines in general not only have gone up in horsepower per cubic inch, but also the reliability and the stresses on the internal components have also increased.
Engines are higher RPM, running at higher RPMs, higher temperatures. We're always at the forefront of designing new materials to keep up with that innovation.
The company was started in Argentina, and today we manufacture not only in Argentina, but we manufacture here in our facilities in the U.S.
Past 45 years, we've enhanced quite a bit of our engineering, our developing, and our manufacturing.
Big jumps in materials, heat treatment, stress relieving, and coatings. Our
goal here at Ferrea Racing Components is really to evolve in the changes that the market really brings about.
I would say that our mission as a company is to provide the best products in our brand areas, provide the best service in the most timely manner.
We feel our materials are above and beyond. We have material specifications that we put out for different series of valves that we offer.
We're always pushing the envelope. We do a lot of work with the highest levels of racing around the world.
Our Fort Lauderdale, Florida plant here, we do a lot of custom valve work. We do a lot of custom retainer work. We do a lot of custom locator work. We do a lot of manufacturing here in those segments where we obviously render to a lot of the worldwide market.
We've done hollow stem valves in stainless for about a decade now, but it was all production run, minimum quantity, about 500 pieces by the time you set up tooling. Now we've set up some special manufacturing where we can do one-off hollow stem valves as needed.
There's a lot that we find out in the market where a lot of the engine builders are having to get other people's products where they're having to retouch the product. We like to call it plug and play. You literally get the product, it's in the engine builder's hand, and that day he's building it, putting it together and putting it on the dyno by the end of the business day.
Currently, from an engineering standpoint, we use AutoCAD and SolidWorks.
Our real strong point here at Ferrea is that we provide a lot of research and development for the many race engine programs, teams, OEM manufacturers like GM, Ford, Chrysler. This know-how that we have provides our customers the ability to develop their product to the maximum capability.
Our R&D development is pretty tedious, making sure that we first handpick the right material, and then we do testing off of, say we do a batch of 1,000 valves, we grab a batch of those valves and do internal testing. Then in turn, we do a lot of stress tests. And then after that, we really get down in the detail. And then the valve is basically packaged up and shipped out to the engine builder.
At Ferrea Racing, we're always looking for new tooling that comes out to make our machining capability here in Fort Lauderdale more efficient.
We do a lot of the bulk manufacturing in Argentina, in our facility. Here in our facility in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, we can do as small as 1 valve, or 8 valves, or 16, depending how many you need as well. Our CNC machines that we use are all state-of-the-art, programmable, that we basically use to machine most of our retainers as well as our valves. And we initially used a lot of these updated machines because we feel that it can optimize the amount of time that we can spend cutting valves or making retainers or making a specific component much quicker. And in turn, we can pass on that savings to the end user. Our shipping times are very quick. Our shipping is very meticulous. We do a lot of research into our boxes as well as the packaging because we feel that the product is very sensitive in the fact that it cannot have any dings or any scratches or anything where this product needs to be put in a $30,000 engine, or it could be as much as $50,000 engine. So We take all of that in consideration in the packaging of our product.
As a company-wide, as we've grown, customer service is our #1 important factor.
Our customer service base is very, very, very strict. We feel highly on our customer base because we want to get that one-on-one with the customer. We don't have an automated system. You call up, you get someone on the phone. All our sales representatives are also very much educated tech-wise.
We are continuously developing new products, working one-to-one with our customer base, staying with them and really getting a sense of what their needs are, and as a result gives us the opportunity to develop these new products for them.
We know it's racing. People live by the saying, your lack of planning is not my sense of an emergency. Well, in racing, things happen. Things blow up, things get destroyed. So when a guy calls on Thursday night and they just blew up an engine on a dyno and he needs valves overnighted on Friday for Saturday delivery, we're there.
Please visit our website at ferrea.com for new updates on our complete line of valve train components.